Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela bafethu ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe nilike every video oyibonayo oyithandayo uyilike if uyayithanda. I-Kaizer Chiefs-ke bafethu siyibonile isayina ama-player amaningi kakhulu transfer market, but-ke khona ama-player bebalulekile bewangawathola close to nothing but badicide ukungawasayini. Ucoach uMandla Ngqoki, if ngilisho kahle igama lakhe, uconfirmile last month bafethu ukuthi umthetheleli Mthiyane lo odlala ku-Stellenbosch bafethu obene-impressive performance kwi-MTN 8 final against Orlando Pirates, udlala kahle kakhulu mfethu. Hhayi, i-superstar, super talent. Ubhulisha Bosipho Mbuli, i-midfielder ye-Orlando Pirates bewina amabhola amaningi kakhulu. He was one of the core players. In fact, one of the biggest stars, if not the big star kuleya match leya. Udlala la kudlala khona umthetho, but ugood ebholeni futhi u-aggressive even going forward. I-former coach yakhe ku-midfield, is it Milford? Yes. Le laphana ku-National First Division yasho ukuthi i-Chiefs yambona umdlali, yamfuna, yabona ukuthi okay, could be a player ongeza ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs yabhithwa yini ekugcineni umdlalo uya ku-Stellenbosch. Imagine uyi-Kaizer Chiefs ufuna i-player but you-undecided because of i-player belizoya ku-Kaizer Chiefs than ukuthi liye ku-Stellenbosch. There's no way i-Stellenbosch likhiphe, let's say for example, ngizokwenza example 5 million for i-player la ku-National First Division edlalela i-Milford. There's no way. Ne-Kaizer Chiefs bangeke bayi-charge 5 million for i-player la ku-National First Division, to be fair bafowethu. Maybe bazokhipha lowo million or 2 if liyadura i-player kuphela. Asazi uthi no-coach wakhe, lo coach bekamcoach uthi akazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuthi i-Stellenbosch lisayine i-player elifunwa i-Kaizer Chiefs, ngoba i-Kaizer Chiefs kubonakala ngathi i-Kaizer Chiefs eyeza kuqala labuza nge-player, lalifuna i-player, but-ke kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ekugcineni yavele yathulela. Umfana ofikile ku-PSL bafowethu laphana usayine ngoJune, yes. June usayine ne-Stellenbosch. Guess what? He quickly, I'm quoting i-goal, he quickly established himself as one of the key players laphana ku-Stellenbosch. Siyazi ukuthi i-Stellenbosch very selling team already, ngoba umfana edlala kahle kanje akhona ama-team azomfuna. I-Kaizer Chiefs-ke if seyizomfuna-ke manje umfana sekayadura from i-Stellenbosch. I-Stellenbosch izofuna imali eserious kakhulu because semnika i-exposure yakuphi, yaku-PSL. Hhayi, i-Kaizer Chiefs iyageja bafowethu. That is why mengikhuluma ngisho ukuthi obani abathatha iy'nqumo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi kusayinwa obani, kungasayinwa obani, because of bayakwazi ukuwa-scout ama-player, balibone ithalente, balifollowe, but-ke when it comes to i-signing abalisayini lelo thalente lelo. Ngikhulume emalangeni, ngikhulume ngobani, ngoLebohang Phiri. Lebohang Phiri, the worst part, uze waya naseNaturena baze ba-negotiate. Ufikile eNaturena uthi babejabulile ukumbona, but Kaizer Chiefs decided not to sign him. Only ukuthi ezwe yena ukuthi ayizange i-negotiate nokunegotiate naye. Uthi yena izwe i-price i-Kaizer Chiefs azange i-negotiate yavele yathulela, azange sakhuluma naye. Hawu. So I mean, yeah, Kaizer Chiefs iyadisappoint-a. Hayi. Yeah, but-ke nawa amagama ka-coach bafowethu, uQorhi. Yeah, coach Mandla Qorhi. Is it Qorhi or whatever bafowethu. Uthi bekunama-offers from i-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Stellenbosch. Uthi akazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni between umfana ne-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke uthi umfana uphelele laphana ku-Stellenbosch. Uthi bengeke kube right for umfana ukuthi ayojoyina amthathe naye eSwatini enama-offers waku-PSL. Uthi-ke wathola i-call from i-Stellenbosch ukuthi bafuna ukufind out about more umfana in terms of ukuthi uyi-player elinjani and ubehave kanjani, yabo into important kakhulu. Uyasho ukuthi ubanike i-good reference because of uyamazi umfana kone-personal scale. Uthi uyi-player eli-fantastic kakhulu, elithanda ukusebenza kanzima, okwazi ukudlala box to box player and a deep lying midfielder. Uthi-ke uyi-player eli-aggressive, eli-comfortable on the ball. Uthi is discipline futhi nase-training nje uya extra umfana. So mawubheka ama-qualities womfana niyo ama-qualities awubawafunayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo la kudlala khona umthetho. Umthetho is giving so much for i-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of ukumaka, but in terms of i-ball distribution, ukuphasa, kula aleka khona umthetho. Whereas i-player elifana nolokhunjana bafethu, uMthiyane bekazodlala le position close to perfection because of uyi-player eli-good, eli-comfortable on the ball. Sizwa ngecoach yakho, umthetho is not comfortable on the ball. It's good in terms of the aggression that he adds. In fact, iStellenbosch isithola i-replacement kaMthethwa-ke manje through umfana because uMthethwa basayina ne-Kaizer Chiefs 2 years ago. So Carter is established uMthethwa ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ne-Stellenbosch Carter isithola i-true replacement kaMthethwa with that aggression. Bamgejile. I think if bazozama-ke manje ukubuyela ukuthi baphinde bamfune, I mean, come on. Yeah, come on. Ayikho ngempela bafethu into esazoshintsha. Ukuthi bamthole easy. Uhlule kumthola ku-Milford, ngeke usamthola. So ingakho ngisho ukuthi into ezincane Kaizer Chiefs kumele balungise kuzo bafethu. If they want a player, especially bedlala ku-National First Division, if they can spot italente, they have to go all out ukuthi bamthole. Asisho ukuthi bakhiphe iy'mali eyi-serious, but umuntu udlala ku-National First Division, he was not exposed to a-professional setup by the ngithi elite professional setup, because National First Division nayo i-pro but it's second tier ngithi. Bamkheshe kanjalo umfana. Ngeke ngabuza kodwa ngathi obani abadecide ukusayina ama-player ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I-decision making yabo ihamba kanjani, because when you have i-gold in front of you, you grab it before abanye abantu bayi-grab, or before iba exposed to abanye abantu. So uzoyifuna abantu bonke sebayibonile ukuthi i-gold, lapho-ke sey-overpriced. Nawe uyekele opportunity la bekulula khona ukuthi uyithathe. Yeah, ziyakhala. What a player bafowethu. Already this season yesisi wangikhohlwa amalokhunjana wakhe, because already this season bafowethu sedlala amagame awu-17 for iStellenbosch. 17 games. Isizini iqale nini? Late August, September, October. Yeah, kusadlala amagame, udlale almost wonke amagame akuStelies. Almost wonke. Hhayi wonke, umiste nje I think two lapho nje. Cause ku-continental level udlalile e-Africa njengoba ba-travel e-Africa. Ku-MTN 8 udlalile uze wakora, ku-Carling udlalile. Futhi bashaye ne-Kaizer Chiefs ne? Yeah, bashaye ne-Kaizer Chiefs, bayinokhe out. So iplayer lidlale wonke ama-competition already this season for iStellenbosch, and iplayer eliyimisele kakhulu lapha negrawundini. Uyabona ukuthi umdlali kazange ukuzodlala, is willing to give everything for the team. Decision making from Bobby, from Kaizer Junior. Yeah, that is why ku-previous clip bengishilo ukuthi maybe, just maybe badinga ukuqasha umuntu ongasiwa kamdawung, if that person can't deliver and then that person can account. Manje uma usebenzela into yakini uzo-accounta kubani, ngoba akekho umuntu ozo-accounta kuye. Akekho ngempela umuntu ozo-accounta kuye. So yeah, it's Kaizer Chiefs disappointing in terms of kuya all out isayina abadlali, and lo mdlali bekazoyisiza i-Chiefs bafethu. Simbukele isizini saseyinde, qale kahle kakhulu, but for me I think master kuleya position le. Already after game, I remember after game bedlala ne-Orlando Pirates ukuthi kulazi announce khona ke ebholeni lase-South Africa ukuthi ukhona and strong. I'm sure so a few ama-team am-track-ayo sewambhekile manje umfana ukuthi okay, since iStellenbosch kuyi-selling team, vele bazomthengisa umdlali. There's no two ways about it. Bazomthengisa, but malini? Bazomthengisela obani? Nini? Because i-price tag yakhe lokhu iyakhula manje, ngoba is one of the standout performers compared to a premiership. Or ngithi like ku-Stellenbosch inkinga-ke izinto azibahambeli kahle at the moment. Asazi ukuthi, I don't see them being relegated, but naku no Cape Town City bahambile, so thina. But maybe bangarelegate-wa, maybe bazomthengisa cheap umfana, because they got him close to nothing ku-Milford. Close to nothing. Kaizer Chiefs ihlele kumthatha ku-Milford. Is it Milford? Ngisho kahle ne? Yeah. But yeah, asizibambeni lana bafethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Before ngihamba, i-Kaizer Chiefs nawo ama-midfielders awa-edile ne? I-ede uNdlovu ongakwazi ukudlalela ezi-central, ede uMaboy. And then Ethan Cheslet ede as number 10. So siyabona ukuthi into esiyibonayo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iba-edile abadlali, yes, but okwazi ukudlala le position le dlala lo uyedwa kuphela, into okwazi ukuyimaster ngempela indaba yokudlala. So Yeah, they needed the boy with the depth le abayidingayo, and i-aggression yakhe beyizobasiza kakhulu e-Africa because of manje ku-midfielder as much as uMthethwa mekakhathele uyakwazi ukumreplace ufake umfana, and then ubone ukuthi umfana u-comfortable kangakanani in terms of holding the board nanokuthi uzoyisiza kangakanani i-team. You are able to maneuver around that thing, uthathe iy'nqumo ezi-right ukuthi akwazi umfana ukulwa akwazi nokuthola ama-results for i-team. In terms of like ukumprotect-a, yes, but-ke cause umthetho ngishilo ngeke ngayisho lento le ngathi umthethwa ukuphefoma in terms of ukubamakela, but ngeke adlale every game this season nangithi bafethu udinga i-tough competition. That is why manje masikhuluma kwamanye ama-clips sithi khona ama-player tholukuthi awadlali kuma-position abo liseWashinga oFrostley, uyabona ukuthi kuzoba nzima kakhulu kulawo ma-position ukuthi badlale. Why can't they convert them baye kuma-midfielders? Because of la kudlala khona umthetho, because bayakwazi ukudlala kuleya position. Asisho ukuthi khishwa umthetho, but-ke makuloke kureplace-wa nabanye bazogain i-confidence until babe right, because ama-team amaningi ayakwazi ukuswitshisa abantu ama-position. Ngizokwenza i-example nje, uModiba bekungasiyi-left back, uSundowns kube yi-left back. uShando uPirates akusiyi-right back, but-ke nangu uPirates right back. So zonke like izinto ey'ncane uyabona ukuthi oh okay, iplayer kumele libe ne-bit of versatility. Uma uyi-player unganayo i-versatility then you won't make it. Ngicela ukuyibamba la. Danko.